Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the laws of the logarithm, and before starting the laws of the logarithm, I would like to discuss two things. First one is when no base is mentioned, no base is indicated, it is considered to be base 10. When there is no base with the log, it is considered to be log 10 or common logarithm because the base of the common logarithm is 10. Secondly, how we read a number which is written in the form of log of mn with base a. This is like log of mn with base a. Now we start the laws of the logarithm. The first one is log of mn with base a is equals to log of m with base a plus log of n with base a. That is, when log is applied to the product of two numbers, it is distributed to each number, and after application of logarithms, number will be added. Log of, for example, log of 3 multiplied by 4 with base 2 is equals to log of 3 base 2 plus log of 4 base 2. Now second law, log of a m by n is equals to log of m with base a minus log of n with base a. That is, when two numbers are being divided in the log, when we apply the log is distributed to both the numbers, and after application they will be subtracted. For example, log of 5 by 7 with base 2 is equals to log of 5 with base 2 minus log of 7 with base 2. Number third law is log of m with base a raised to the power n is equals to n log of m with base a. This is the simpler one, that when there is a power in case of logarithm, the power is shifted at the back of the logarithm. Example, log of 3 with base 2 raised to the power 5 is equals to 5 log of 3 with base 2. The power is shifted at the back of the logarithm. Fourth one is log of m with base a into log of n with base m is equals to log of n with base a. This common portion m log m, this is cancelled out. For example, if we write log of 3 with base 7 into log of 4 with base 3, this common portion 3 into log of 3 base 3, this is cancelled out, and we are left with log of 4 with base 7. Number fifth one is log of n with base a divided by log of m with base a is equals to log of n with base m. The same bases, they are cancelled out, and the log is written in the form of single logarithm after the application. Now example is, if we write log of 3 with base 2 and log of 5 with base 2. Now this base 2 is cancelled out, and in the single logarithm we will write log of 3 with base 5. Now these are the 5 laws of logarithm. There are certain other properties which are also used to prove the question, and most important are log of a with base a is equals to 1. It means when there is a logarithm of a number with the same base, the answer will be 1. For example, log of 2 with base 2 is equals to 1. Similarly, log of 8 with base 8 will be equal to 1. Log of 10 with base 10 will be equal to 1. Second one is log of 1 with base 10 is equals to 0, or simply log of 1 is equals to 0. Whenever log of 1 is written, the value will be equal to 0. And these are the laws which we will use in the next exercise to prove the different questions or different expressions.